My name's Andrew Thomas. I'm the head of marketing at Maura Learning. It'd been probably 4 or 5 years since we'd had a proper website redesign. And to be honest, it was old, it was clunky, and the design just wasn't up to standard anymore. And the really big thing for me was that there was no lead nurturing or lead capture capabilities on the website at all. And it wasn't supporting, more importantly, our long-term growth strategy, and it wasn't helping our business anymore. At the time, we were feeling a bit daunted, actually, because we really needed to start from the ground up. So it was really important for us to engage a partner who actually understood the journey that we were about to go on to. And ultimately, that's why we were really happy with finding Octivo. They listened, they asked the right questions, and they delivered on all of the milestones. And we couldn't have been more happier with our decision from the very start. Since our website was delivered to us by Octivo, we've seen some pretty impressive growth statistics, and more importantly, we've been able to capture about 7 times as many leads. So it's really changed the way that we're able to market and go to market using our website. And I'm really happy that we made the choice to work with Octivo.